Dear students, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to discuss about the sounds produced by human beings and structure of larynx from the lesson Sound of the 8th class Physics. So we know that all animals produce sound to communicate with other animals for different purposes in their lives. Human beings are also use these sounds but more effectively. Sounds produced in particular order and manner constitutes our speech. This order in production of sound is different for different languages or communication processes. Honeybee makes sounds on seeing flowers to communicate to the other bees who are at a distance. Do they produce this peculiar sound through their mouth or some other organ used for that purpose? Yes, the wings are used by honeybees to make such sounds. You can observe that in the picture, the wings are vibrating very fastly. The rapid wing beats of bees create vibrations in the air that the human ear detects as buzzing. Majority of communication in human beings is through speech. Which organs do give human beings the ability to talk? Yes, larynx or the voice box. So this is the structure or the placement of the larynx in the throat. Let us try this. Imitate different sounds made by animals. Try to mimic your friends. While making these sounds, place your fingers on your throat, like as shown in the figure. What do you feel? Do your fingers sense any vibrations? Are the vibrations same for all the sounds that you make? Yes, they are different for different sounds. Coming to the structure of larynx or the voice box, larynx is the important organ in human body to produce sound. So this is the anatomy of the larynx. The main part is vocal cord. Larynx has two muscular ligaments called vocal cords. They are stretched across the voice box. It leads to a narrow slit between them to allow passage of air to produce different types of sounds. And you can see in the picture on the left hand side, you will see opened vocal cords which allow the air to pass through it. And on the right hand side, you can see the closed vocal cords. Vocal cords open during breathing to allow air into lungs, but they are closed when we speak. The air from the lung press between them to cause vibrations and produce sound. You can see in the picture when the girl was speaking, the vocal cords are closed, and when the air from the lungs is pressed, that vibrations will happen. It will produce different types of sounds. Do you know, length of the vocal cord in men is nearly 20 millimeters, that is 2 centimeters. But in the women, it is about only 5 mm less, means 15 millimeters or 1.5 centimeters. And in the children, it is much shorter. You can see that the length of the vocal cords plays an important role in deciding the quality of the sound. So that's why children will produce very high pitched sound when compared to the women, and they will produce high pitched sound when compared to the men. So it all depends on the length of the vocal cord.